Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Pro. Today with 2018 Nissan Navara, stock number 6711. This ran from the 4th 2015 to the current shape. It has a YS23 DDT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a YS23 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, interior mirror, the front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,